Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to start with a new chapter of social studies, that is our government and administration. Children, suppose one day you wake up early in the morning and see that a new road has been constructed in front of your house. A ground has been converted into a beautiful garden. Who does this? It is very surprising how the work in this big city is always carried out to improve the city. This work is done by the government which we all elect. Delhi is a state and it has its own state government. Do you want to know how this government is formed? Children, just the way you elect your monitor in class, an election is carried out in states and country. The whole of Delhi is divided into 70 constituencies. Every person of each constituency elects representative during elections. These representatives elect their leader and he is called the leader of the state, that is, Chief Minister of Delhi. To help the Chief Minister, there is a group of ministers. This group works for the service of the people of Delhi. Chief Minister assigns different tasks to different ministers, for example, Education Minister, Environment Minister, Finance Minister, Transport Minister, etc. Chief Minister, along with its ministers, discuss things in assembly and make plans for the betterment of the city and its people. As you all know, in a city, many things are required by us. For example, pure drinking water, electricity, good roads, bridges, etc. For the cleanliness of drains, roads and other things, many people are needed. Just imagine, if these people do not work, what will happen? Delhi is a metropolitan city. Therefore, apart from the government, there are many organizations working in Delhi. Names of such organizations are given below. South Delhi Municipal Corporation, East Delhi Municipal Corporation, North Delhi Municipal Corporation, New Delhi Municipal Corporation, Delhi Cantonment Board. Functions of these organizations are as follows: collection of garbage from roads and streets, plant trees, to run hospitals and dispensaries. Our school has also been built by South Delhi Municipal Corporation. The President and Prime Minister of India also live in Delhi. Prime Minister along with its ministers discuss matters of national interest in Parliament and make laws for the people of country. Administration is a group of officials who have the responsibility to implement the laws and policies imposed by the Government of India. The safety of the people of Delhi, Delhi Police is always here. You may go anywhere in Delhi, you will find the Constable of Delhi Police performing their duty 24 hours a day. Every Sunday and during all the festivals, your schools remains closed. But Delhi Police does not go on holiday. Thousands of Constable of Delhi Police are deployed always for your safety. You must have seen the vans of Delhi Police. They keep close watch on every place while sitting in it. Because of them, we go everywhere without any tension by simply locking our houses. The population of Delhi is around 2 crores. In case of any theft or accident, people dial 100 number to call the police. When in trouble, people dial 100 number and in few minutes Delhi Police comes to help them. Generally, the Constable of Delhi Police wears a khaki uniform. Delhi Traffic Police is deployed to maintain traffic on the roads of Delhi. Constables of Delhi Police wear white shirt and blue pant. They keep on doing their duty in all the weather conditions. If they do not perform their duty even for one day, we will be in big trouble. Apart from this, children, you can take help by dialing 1098. This number is specially for helping children and it is free, that is, It is a toll-free number.